Welcome back to Speak Japanese in 5 Minutes. I'm your host, Leo. We're continuing our journey at the lovely Cafe Jupiter. And today is a big one. I'm hungry, and we're going to learn how to actually order a meal. Kei-sensei, are you ready to help me get some food?
こんにちは、レオさん。もちろんです。Hello everyone. Today's episode is all about 注文, which means to order. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to order with confidence.
Fantastic. So where do we start? How do I get the waiter's attention without being rude?
A very important first step. In Japan, you usually raise your hand slightly and say one simple, powerful word, すみません.
Sumimasen, I've heard that one before. It means excuse me, right?
はい、そうです。Exactly. It is incredibly useful. Let's practice just that. I will say it, and you can repeat during the silence. Are you ready? すみません.
Okay, I think I've got that. So I've said sumimasen, the waiter is at my table. What's the easiest way to point at something on the menu and say, I'll have this, please?
The simplest and most useful phrase is これをお願いします. With this, you can order almost anything you can point to.
Okay, that's pretty simple. Can you break it down for us, please?
Let's break it down. これ means this. を is a particle that marks the object. You don't need to worry too much about it now. Just know it follows the thing you want. And お願いします is a very polite way to say please.
これをお願いします.
Okay, that seems straightforward enough.
Let's try it. First, very slowly, repeat after me. これをお願いします. Very good. Now, at a more natural speed, これをお願いします.
Excellent. I feel like I could actually order something now. But I'm always thirsty. How would I ask for water?
For water, you can say お水をください. お水 is water. ください is another way to say please give me.
Hold on, why kudasai this time instead of onegaishimasu?
What's the difference?
A very good question. To explain from a scholarly perspective, both are polite requests. However, お願いします is often used when asking for a service, like ordering a meal from a menu. ください is used more for requesting a specific, tangible item, like a glass of water or the salt. Functionally, they are often interchangeable for beginners, but お願いします is slightly more formal and deferential.
That makes sense. So, onegaishimasu is for the service of preparing food, and kudasai is for the item itself. Got it.
You understand well. So, let's practice asking for water. お水をください.
Perfect. What about other keywords? I need coffee to survive. And what if I want to ask for the menu itself?
Two easy ones. Coffee is コーヒー. Menu is menu. They are written in katakana because they are words from other languages. They sound very similar to English.
Kohi and menu. I can definitely remember those. So using our formula, I could say menu o onegaishimasu to ask for the menu?
その通りです. Exactly right. You are learning very fast, Leo-san. Let's practice that. メニューをお願いします. Now, it is time for our intensive practice. We will say each phrase 3 times. Listen and repeat in the pause. Let's begin. すみません. 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 Good. Next phrase. これをお願いします. これをお願いします. これをお願いします.
Whew, great work. That rapid repetition really helps. Okay, listeners, here's your challenge. Think of your favorite drink. Coffee, tea, juice. Now try to say coffee please or tea please in Japanese. We'll give you a moment.
And now, for today's scholarly tip. In many countries, tipping is customary. In Japan, it is not. In fact, tipping can be seen as confusing or even rude. Good service is expected as part of the price you pay, so there is no need to leave extra money.
That's a huge tip and a money saver. Thanks, Kei-sensei. That's all for episode 5. Join us next time for episode 6, where we'll learn about directions and getting around.
またね